How's it going? This is the unboxing, taste testing, and review of Sparkling Ice Peach Nectarine Sparkling Water. Uh, Nutrition on the back is one person per bottle, or serving size is one person per bottle. 5 calories per bottle, and is caffeine free. Here's the front. The back and the nutrition facts. Yeah, let's give it a shot. I'm not a huge fan of peach. I don't mind eating them. I just, as a drink, yeah, I'm not. But the apple cider one was good, so hopefully this one's just as good. Well, that's not a good start. Definitely peach. I like the color. No. Mm-mm. No. I don't like it. Mm. Yeah, it. You definitely get peach, but you also get a very bad aftertaste to it. That is just no, no. Yeah, yeah. Second taste, not really good. Mm-mm. Oh God, no, no. I. If you want to torture somebody, go ahead. This is great. If as a drink, no. I no. I And the flavor's still there. It's not going away. It, if you're a fan of peach, enjoy. I don't think you're gonna like it. It's too much peach. I oh. It does also kind of make your mouth dry, which is not helping with the aftertaste of it. So, yeah, no, 4 out of 10. This is terrible. The apple cider one's much better than this one. This one sucks. Ugh. Yeah, that's the unboxing, taste testing, and review of Sparkling Ice Peach Nectarine uh, Sparkling Water. No, sucks. Unless you want to torture somebody. and watch them start to gag from it. Yeah. No, I don't recommend that one. If you want to try one, try the apple cider one. That one's a lot better. Ugh. Till next time. Thanks for watching.